Just look at this thing. It's so dirty. It's covered in dust and debris. This is why your laptop is running so slow and overheating. So, let's get started and clean this thing up. Hey everyone, it's Francis here. And today I'm going to show you how to clean your laptop's heatsink. This is a simple process that can make a big difference in your laptop's performance and lifespan. Before we start, let's make sure that your laptop is turned off and unplugged from the power source. The first step is to disassemble your laptop. This process will vary depending on the make and model of your laptop, so consult your owner's manual. Once you have the back cover off, you should be able to see the heat sink. It is usually a large metal block with a fan attached to it. Just look at this thing. It's so dirty. It's covered in dust and debris. Now it's time to start cleaning. Once the heat sink is clean, you can apply a thin layer of thermal paste to the top of the CPU. This is optional, but it can help to improve heat transfer and reduce temperatures. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, and make sure that all of the cables are properly connected. That's it! You've now successfully cleaned your laptop's heatsink. This should help to improve performance and reduce lag. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.